Hello, everyone. Welcome to the special edition of Become a Warrior. We're talking today about Walla Walla Community College's continuing education department and their program offerings. My name is Melissa Rodriguez. I'm the Director of Outreach at the college, and I'm joined by my colleague Melissa Holacek, who is Workforce Community Relations Coordinator and is going to be helping monitor this event. And we also have Jody Warden with us. She is the Executive Director of Continuing Education and Community Engagement, and she has a special presentation for us on her programs. Take it away, Jody.
Thank you, Melissa. Hi, everybody. Walla Walla Community College has an amazing community outreach program that is called Continuing Education. And within Continuing Education, we have multiple programs that all fall under that headliner. To start off with, so Quest is one of the programs that falls under Continuing Education, and Quest is a program that's geared towards active learners, 50 years of age or above. It's led by a steering committee of 15 active community members. We put out a new schedule for Quest every single quarter. The schedule contains activities and trips and classes from kind of high-end academic learning to fitness and travel. So the classes all differ in length from 1 day to 10 weeks, and the costs all vary, but there are scholarship options. And I just kind of put a little note there with our website that you can go get some more information there. And then we have community education, and community education is for everybody. It's, any age can take a community education class. It's houses personal enrichment, professional development. There's hobbies and technology and cooking classes and dog training and health and fitness, all kinds of different options. And we also do a new schedule for community education every single quarter. And the website's there for you for that. Leadership Walla Walla is a civic awareness program. It's aimed at all qualified community members who have a desire to increase their community involvement and build their upcoming leadership positions. Leadership Walla Walla does require an application process. You could apply now for a fall start date, and it runs a series of 8 all-day sessions, and we meet 1 day a month from September to May. And that website is also listed there. Kids College is a pretty popular program. A lot of the community members are well aware of it. We've been running this Kids College program for a very long time. And it's specific to 1 week in the summer. It's usually right after our graduation, so mid-June. And it's for 9 to 12-year-olds. And we build them a schedule where they can feel like they're in college, and they get to create and pick their own schedule and rotate classes just like they would if they came to college. And they have a list of, all these different classes, and they get to pick. So it's a very popular program. Registration usually opens in mid-May for Kids College, and it's limited to 150 kids. And we do sell out every year. We're full every year. So, and then there's a website there for more information on Kids College. And then year-round, we have just many youth classes that are regular classes for ages anywhere from 5 years old to 17 years old. And those include babysitting classes and cooking and arts and additional STEAM summer camps that are separate than Kids College Week. We talk about animal care, and we do have a new schedule for our youth classes every quarter as well. And then there's a website there for you. Ed2Go is 100% online community learning classes. They're non-credit classes, and they're geared for the independent learner. So they're just the best example I can think of right now is an Excel class where someone's not really looking for college credit. They just want the skills, and they are an independent learner, and they just want to do some self-paced online lessons. And those classes you can start those whenever you would like. Every single month they start, and then you meet twice weekly with some lesson plans in those. We run quite a few of those, and those are available on this website listed there as well. And then we're partnered with Sherwood Trust on the nonprofit and community learning center. And Sherwood Trust puts together some amazing networking, education, and ongoing training to nonprofit community members, staff, and board members. On our website is where you can find the most updated trainings on the Nonprofit and Community Learning Center. And then we also have the Allied Health and Safety Education programs, which these are college credit certificates and degrees. It is an application process to get in these programs. It supports a variety of education with personal enrichment and career development goals in the field of health and safety. Within that fits patient navigation, EMT, first aid, CPR, phlebotomy, fire science, and medical scribe endorsements. So there's a web page listed there. And then I just kind of wanted to show you some of our team members here. So myself, I'm the executive director. Karina Whitehurst is our secretary senior. Angelica Can is our program coordinator, and she's the one that will help you with the allied health and safety mainly. And then Danielle Collet is our program coordinator for all those other programs that we mentioned. So yeah, that's kind of in a nutshell, real quick. And then, yeah, happy to answer any questions that you
I love it. We do have a question from a participant. She asks, Quest classes are geared at learners over the age of 50, but is enrollment in those classes restricted to that age group?
Yes and no. So if the class is not full and there's room in it, we can save someone that is under the age of 50 and allow them to participate as long as they pay the Quest membership, which is $15 for a quarter, and they're not taking the place of a person that's above the age of 50. So we can make exceptions for under 50 if the classes are not full.
I have a question about online offerings. So in the spectrum of courses that you're offering for kids, for Quest age students, and in community ed, do you have opportunities to take any classes online?
For online, right now, we are, with the current situation, we do have some fun classes that are online, and we're doing it through the Zoom platform, which is something everybody seems to be getting familiar with very quickly. Typically, it's just the Ed2Go that's online. But right now, we have lots of options online.
Oh, good. So if I wanted to look at those, could you navigate to on the college's website to show me where I could find that information?
Okay, so the main way, and I hope it catches up, is the www.cc.edu and then /community. And from there you can, did it catch up? I'm going to stop sharing and reshare.
Anyone who wants to get contact information or learn more about community ed, while Jody gets that up, I will mention that we do have a live chat feature now that's housed on our website. So if you go to www.cc.edu and you have any questions regarding these programs, you can use the live chat feature. There's a little yellow rectangle at the bottom of your screen that you'll see. And you can get into a conversation with myself or other Welcome Center staff, including Karina, who is Secretary Senior in this department, and we can get your questions answered there. Okay, I do see we're at www.cc.edu/community now.
Yeah, and so from here you can scroll down and you can see all these different options that you have online. That you can click on and get information about each individual program.
Perfect. And you mentioned Leadership Walla Walla. How does one, is there any special application for that program? And is there a cost associated with that?
There is. If you go to this webpage that I'm on, and hopefully this keeps up, but I'll click on Leadership Walla Walla. And it has the application right here. There's a brochure and an application that you can fill out. And it's not required, but typically there's an employer commitment form. a lot of the employers in town send their future leaders to this program. Did it keep up? Are you seeing leadership now? No? Okay. I'm sorry. I must be having some internet problems, but yes, there is an application that you fill out, and it's $6.95 for the whole year, where you meet 8 times or 9 times, September through May. And the application is online that you can fill out.
I have a question. So a lot of folks are looking for ways to entertain their kids. Can you tell us about some of the opportunities that you have for enrichment courses for kids?
So we have new technology and online summer camps each week all summer, and it is listed on our webpage. And every single week you can start a new course, even cooking classes. So I mean, I would run through the list, but there's a lot, as you can see. And I'm not sure if Melissa's able to get them up, but under the youth classes there, Melissa, yeah, you can click on that register now and it takes you to a list of everything that's available. And they're all, you know, within the STEAM
Cool. So I see
programs.
a lot of courses related to gaming and coding and storytelling.
Healthy cooking.
Very cool. Minecraft, I know that's popular.
Yeah, yeah. And there's even like they can play against each other. So there's like esports where they're kind of competing against each other, the kids in the classes, but they're all doing it from their own homes because obviously we need to be safe right now. So yeah, there's a web, yep, right here. Yep, there you go. It looks like she's got it all pulled up now. So yeah, multiple option, and it's every single week all summer long, and you can sign up, you know, as standalone classes. You don't have to sign up for all of them. You know, you pick a week that works for you and your family with the interest that your child has, and you know, everything from healthy cooking to Mario Kart. So
I love it. Jody, how can folks contact you?
our website is the best way. Obviously, there's a link on our website that says contact us.
Okay.
If you click on that, someone will get back to you very quickly. And then we also have the virtual Zoom room that we're staffing from 8:30 to 4:30. If you just go to our, you know, Walla Walla Community College website, there's a continuing education link there that we have it staffed all during business hours. So a live person will be there ready to help you with any questions that you have, or if you need help registering, or if you just want to understand a little bit more about some of the classes we have staff members there waiting for you. Those same staff members that we showed you at the end there, Danielle, Karina, Angelica, they're all there for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. All right, folks.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
You are so welcome.
Yeah, there you go. There it is.
All right. Well, then this concludes our session on continuing education courses. Thank you for joining us today, whether you joined us on Facebook Live or for the live Zoom event. This session will be recorded and available at our Become a Warrior landing page that you can link to from wwcc.edu. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everybody.